And now that getting loan is very easy, there is someone called Vinita Lakhar, our beneficiary, who has taken full advantage of the loan process and started a bakery shop in Guwahati called the B Bake. She worked for banking sector, then decided to take VRS to start this venture. Vinita is not only very happy with her creative work, but she takes pride and joy in helping many women to sell their cakes and bakes from her shelf. Incidentally, our seminar is number 13, which is known as the Baker's Dozen. Most of the events will have cake to celebrate. So let's go on a journey with her to know how she realized her dreams and the success story of a bakery. Here I'm on this, going to share the journey with you. Vinita, the stage is all yours.
Ma'am, there's an introduction video. Let me play that.
Hello, Vinita. Where are you?
Chitra, Naman will be playing the introductory video.
Okay, sure. Thank you, Naman. Wonderful. Yeah, Vinita. Can't hear. Vinita can't hear. Can't hear, Vinita.
Now? Hello,
yes,
ma'am.
Yes.
Yes,
now
now?
You. Yes,
Achha,
yes.
First of all, thank you, Naman, for this beautiful video. Thank you so much. Good afternoon, everybody. My presentation. Achha. Okay, today I'll share here my experience as a Stand Up India beneficiary and the success story of my small bakery unit. This is my bakery unit. First of all, I express my thanks to the organizers, especially Sitra ma'am, for giving me such an opportunity to share my experience as an entrepreneur. It was in October 2018 that
Vinita, we can't see your screen. You will have to share screen, please.
I have shared already, ma'am.
No.
Share screen.
Naman, can you help her, please?
Yes, sure, ma'am. Ma'am, can you see us? Yeah.
Yes, yes, we can see it now, Vinita. Yeah.
Okay, thank you. This is the first webinar for me, ma'am. It's okay. It was in October 2018 that the idea has germinated in my mind to do something new, innovative, and challenging, not only for my own benefit, for the benefit of several other families in and around my localities. One day, one of my friends told me about a lady, her name was Pompey, who makes beautiful birthday cake, and I visited her house to order a cake for my daughter's birthday. It was the very first time that I saw a housewife, after completing all her domestic works, spares time to prepare cake with an expectation of earning some extra money to help the family to run smoothly. I had a conversation with her for some time and got to know that there are several other women in and around our locality who also prepare sweets, namkins, and other bakery items and sell to a limited number of customers to earn some extra money. But all of them were very much unorganized and working in a very low scale with a high risk of perishability and losing their hard-earned capital due to lack of proper market opportunities. It was that point of time where a thought came to my mind as to why not to do something for these unguided and heedless people. Finally, with a zero knowledge of baking, I took risks here. Actually, I don't have any knowledge of cooking and baking. But in spite of that also, finally with a zero knowledge of baking, I decided to open a bakery outlet for all those ladies who are trying their best to add some extra income to their lives and also for a recognition around the society. Then in December 2019, I went to Bank of Baroda, GS Road branch, Guwahati, and approached the branch manager for financial assistance of rupees 15 lakhs because I need that to set up the business in my rented shop under Stand Up India scheme for the establishment of unit under services sector. Actually, Subrata Pal Sal has already explained, but little bit I have added here. The objective of Stand Up India is to facilitate the bank loans between 10 lakhs to 1 crore and to at least one SCST or at least one women borrower per bank branch for setting up greenfield entrepreneurship. That means it is also the responsibility of bank to give such loans to women and SCST entrepreneurs. The branch manager guided me in a proper way and asked me to submit all documents like trade license in my individual name or in a name of firm, along with following documents, project report, IT return, application form, KYC, etc. After submitting all documents within a week, one BOB official came to my proposed bakery site as well as my residence for the necessary inspection. Ma'am, this cake you have seen in the pic that is made by one of our micro baker named her Pranamika, and she has done it 113 Foundation Day of Bank of Baroda. So I didn't have to wait for a long time. And it was in month of February 2020 that a loan of rupees 11 lakhs was finally sanctioned to me by the Bank of Baroda, out of which 4 lakhs was for working capital and rupees 7 lakhs was term loan. Immediately, I started the interior of bakery outlet, which I have taken on rent. Then finally the day came. It was on 19th of February 2020 that I started my bakery shop with a supply from 5 women micro bakers, including Pompey. From the very beginning itself, it was running very well. But unfortunately, after starting that shop, COVID-19 came, the pandemic. As COVID-19 struck all over the world, destroying many micro, small, and medium scale entrepreneurs, even my outlet got affected and was closed for around 5 months. Here I want to mention that even during lockdown, the business was going on to some extent with the limited supply of certain special items like birthday cake, salty item, etc. directly from my baker's kitchen. They contact me, customer contact me, I tell them, they prepare, they sell it from myself. Like that way they were earning. That time also, in COVID-19 time also they have earned. But due to close of 5 months, it was a very stressful time, but RBI, as per RBI instruction, bank gave us scope to all stand-up beneficiaries to survive by giving facilities of 6 months moratorium, though it is up to 18 months, but as my shop was closed for 5 months, the bank told me to take the 6 months moratorium to protect the loan from being marked as non-performing asset. Even after so much of this pandemic stress, I have paid an amount of rupees 1.25 lakhs. Out of that 7 lakhs of term loan, even after paying my bills like staff salary, electricity bill, house rent, etc. The salary, bill, and house rent altogether, it comes around 14,000. After paying that also, I am paying the term loan EMI regular basis. I am able to do it. So just I want to give some message that if we want to do any business committedly, dedicatedly, so we can do and we can help others also. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Any questions anyone has for the beneficiary, she can answer in case you are thinking of starting a bakery. The wonderful journey, Binita. If anyone
ma'am.
visits Assam, you
Bibita.
just know where to stop for tea,
Bibita,
right?
I have a question.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
I have a question.